How to recover deleted playlists on YouTube. So if you want to recover your deleted playlist on your YouTube, even if aren't on your YouTube trash or history, YouTube doesn't offer a built-in recovery feature like Google Drive. So once a playlist is deleted, it's technically gone, but there are a few workarounds that can help you get it back. If you remember any video from the deleted playlist, you need to open up your YouTube in your browser and then go to the library section. After that, you can check your watch history. If you find a video that was part of the playlist, you can start rebuilding it by creating a new playlist. If your playlist was public or unlisted at any point, then you can visit archive.org, and here you can paste the old playlist URL and look for the archived snapshots. If available, you'll be able to view the full list of videos and manually recreate the playlist. If you no longer have the link, then search your old messages, emails, WhatsApp chats, Discord logs, or Twitter DMs, or even notes where you might have shared it, because without the original URL, recovery isn't possible. These are the most effective methods to retrieve deleted YouTube playlist. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.